right, good morning. Good morning. Let me get brush my teeth. Let me get some coffee going. Really, is today another CPI bullshit day? Probably gonna dump on us a little bit, but who knows? Let me get my coffee going, then we'll do the mic check. I'll be right back. And thank you for coming. Thank you for being here. It's good to be back. Had a wedding, so I was out of town for a good little while. Let me go get this coffee going.
Sometimes it makes me sad to think about you. I know it seems a little silly, but I can't help myself sometimes. Sometimes it's just that way. But forever and ever, I love you.
All right, howdy, folks. Let's get this mic check going. Let's get this mic check going. Hopefully, everyone is having a terrific day. What day is it today? Tuesday. Doesn't sound too shabby. I don't even know how long we've been in this. It's been a week, I'm pretty sure, at least. Realized well, let me ask you this here, Vasudevu Pepe. If you had to guess which one was locked in profits between realized and unrealized, which one would you guess was the one that was real? The realized. Anyways, but that's small potatoes. We're looking for the big potatoes. The trade's been in the red for quite some time. It's been knocking on the door. Before we get into the charts, oh my eyes. Listen, if you were exiled because of where you live for trading leverage and you need a new exchange to go to for non-KYC, no VPN needed, ZOOMEX has the crypto face stamp of approval. It took 8 months, almost a year. Link is in the description. The Pepe has been on the creep, kind of mimicking Bitcoin. CPI, if there's CPI or CFI data, there's CPI data or CFI data every damn week, every other week. Yip, you whoopity-doo. Price probably gonna go down then or something. I have no thoughts. Ooh, what are we on? We're on the daily? No, okay, now we're on the daily. What time frame was that? Man, I have this dark reader kind of makes things weird. The 2-day, little VWAP coming up right there. Little VWAP coming up right there. The 2-day. Nice little kind of money flow waves here. Nice little kind of waves coming to the upside. It's kind of getting a little countered by momentum. We'll see if it can hitch. Dual band strength index. What are we looking at? About a printing a little 17. You know, this is what, the 100th time we've been kind of knocking on the door. Really, we're just waiting and hoping, wishing and hoping for that surprise. A good surprise.
Gentlemen, in the mix.
You know, the 4-hour money flow has been creaking down, but now they're gonna fight. They've been in a fight on the lower time frames. In fact, let's take a look at this little range here. Yeah, I mean, look at that momentum support trying to hold. It's trying to hold. It's Wednesday today. I'm pretty sure this is probably like the 4th CPI bullshit data that this trade has gone through. What do they think it's going to be? Do they think it's going to be positive? What are the rumors about the poopy PPI? What are the rumors about the PPI? What are the rumors about the old PPI? Yeah, we're kind of just, yeah. I think it's gonna be negative, dovish. They think it's gonna be the flamingish. They think it's gonna be stork-like. What the fuck is that supposed to mean? Do they think it's gonna go up or down? I don't need to know a different animal. Is it gonna be up or down? Either way, I don't really care. Just don't care. I don't care. I tell you what, though. Do you know what has been performing, for me, at least, since the day that I bought it, was BBB. We are just under double our money on the Pepe. I'm loving the Pepe. And you know what? I'm telling you, listen. At the end of the day, there's no point to charting charting any altcoin. No altcoin is gonna break away. I'm talking long term-ish, not just like one day of one little shit coin going up or down or something. No altcoin, no shit coin, no coin of any crypto, no crypto is going to do anything that Bitcoin doesn't do. Whether it goes up or down, meaning that if and or when Bitcoin decides, hopefully sometime, whether it be in the immediate short term or the long time from now term, when that day comes, if that day comes, hell, 64K top forever still hold true. Hell, if we even just got to that before. Anyways, what I'm trying to say is, if Bitcoin goes up, And what do you think you're going to make more money on? You know, what are you trying to make? 20% on your spot Bitcoin, 10%? Hell no. I'm trying to get them 10x, 100x gains. So as far as I'm concerned, Pepe is just as much as of a store of value as Bitcoin is. And you know what? No one's talking about it right now. What are you talking about? Last time I talked about Pepe crashed? You're an idiot. No, I did. Then how am I up 2x? How am I up 2x? How much you want to bet? How much you want to bet that I am almost 2x in profit in Pepe? The price goes up and down. Shit, it almost went to 100 grand. Shit, it went up to 4. It hit 4 something. So, I'm all about the Pepe. I never closed the Pepe trade. What are you talking about? I bought 20,000 worth of Pepe. It's worth $37,700 right now. And I let everyone know on Twitter before I did it. I did it live. So because I'm still in the same, I use both ZOOMEX and BeatGet. I have both tabs up here. I'm not just gonna close this damn trade and but both. I'm telling you, ZOOMEX has the non-KYC CF stamp of approval. No VPNs, no bullshit. Don't worry about my business. Just because you can't, maybe some of you aren't allowed to do some things, don't mean I'm not allowed to do some things, and I have been able to pull some strings. Strings get pulled for me. Yeah, man. When I made it very clear when we bought Pepe, it was, what was it, like 11 or 12 or so? I don't even remember. It was about half whatever the price is now. But I tell you what, a shitcoin we could really use to pump his pulse chain, because I got a bag. I got a couple bags. Big Vince, yes you can. There's no ZOOMEX link in the description. Are you kidding me? That shit was supposed to... Are you sure? Son of a bitch. You're right. Hang on, because you get a special deal if you use my link. Hang on. What the fuck? I fucking thought I did that. Maybe it doesn't work for live streams or something. Alrighty, let's take a look. See here. Bada bing. And okay. Okay, I think that's it. Damn, let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. What's going on here, folks? Is that the CPPI data? Oh, look, we went right to the spider line. We got action, folks. We got action. Come on, you can do it. Where'd I get pulse chain? I sacrificed 2-3 years ago for the sacrifice shit. Long time ago. From a man named Cotton Eye Joe. I'll tell you what. Definitely had some Cotton Eye Joe when I bought that amount of that shit. I know he's got a movie that's just coming out. Hopefully that pumps the price. Yes, the ZOOMEX link is in the description. Listen, there's always so much that I'm able to say. But what I'm saying is, it's got the CF stamp of approval. ZOOMEX. Non-KYC. No VPN bullshit. My guess is got at least 2 years out of it. You know, if you vacation in the States and other countries and shit, you don't want to, still using BitGet too. BitGet, ZOOMEX. Those are the colors I'm flying. That's for you. CBK Wahoo, are you saying it's going to go up or down afterwards? Oh, I bet you Pepe's moving. I bet you the Pepe. I bet you the Pepe. Ooh, I bet you the Pepe. Oh, jeez. Oh, my God, I was a millionaire. Oh. We thought this could have been the one. Wayne Bruce, honestly, I've been in this trade for like 2 weeks, man. And so I don't even remember. Took 100,000 profit, now we're in it. We got in again. And so it's been like 2 weeks. I'm pretty sure. It is the one. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We needed the baby. The baby. You're welcome, Wayne. I'm sorry I couldn't answer your question better. I'll put it to you this way. I've been on a plane twice. Well, actually, 4 times if you count both ways. I've been on a round trip twice, I think. Maybe not, though. But definitely one time during the trade. But I don't think I was on the first time. I think I lied. But I was on a plane twice. Let's go, baby. Let's see this puppy roll. We need to see this bitch break up past the Spidey line and hold. And we need it to hold. Like the guy from the alligator shows. We need it to hold. We got the money flows coming up. Look at this. Kind of got a little trick wave to the green dot anchors. We got a little bit of something there. All right. We're gonna have enough fight. Is it a bull? Is it a little? Like I said, I'd be happy if we went to 38,000. And go all the way back down to 15. I'd be totally cool with it. Would be totally cool with it. Going? How you doing? It's going. If we're in the middle of the week, So it's as good as a time as any. It's as good as a time as any. Beautiful spider lines, if I do say so myself. Just absolutely beautiful spider lines. Hell, you know, if we stay here till November, well, we'd be up, you know, almost 3,000. Bro, we've been in this trade for like 2 weeks. It took 105,000 profit. You can long the top of my balls. Man, I tell you what though, on people were whoops. People were real shook. Was it here? Yeah. This drop shook people hard. This one shook people real hard, man. Real hard. People got shook hard on that drop. You remember a 40K stream where everyone said he long the top and the price went to 50K, bro? Damn, that sounds a good time. I don't necessarily remember that specific time, but I believe you. I believe you. I believe you. Why are we looking at CPI? Because, bro, there's just nothing else to look at. It's like when you open your fridge and there's just a half-empty cup of mac and cheese from the day before. There's just nothing else, man. Yeah, the Dixie, boy, look at that support right there. This might be one of them few times I'm rooting for the Dixie to go down, but I don't know. I don't know. That would be pretty sweet. Oh my. What is this? The weekly on the Dixie. Look at the weekly on the Dixie. Oh. Please. Please. Come on down into this red. So we can break that bread. Like Jesus said. Yo. Yes, sir. Market Cipher, the official trading partner of Platinum Mike Perry. Did you get an email from an exchange? Could have even been BitGet or another exchange because of the country you live in saying get your money out because we can't have you trading anymore because where you live. CF has got your back. ZOOMEX is the place for you. Link is in the description. Are you having a hard time getting it up with your girlfriend or wife at night? Blue Chew. Use code CryptoFace. Just kidding. Just kidding. Same bull flag pattern at 65 and dumped out. You know, I tell you, that's what, flags. First off, people draw a damn flag on anything. It'll be a square and someone will draw a flag on it. And they're like, what, 52%, 51%?
Gentlemen in the mix.
It's still a coin flip. So I don't put too much. We need more data. Look at the data. We need more data. That's why we like knowing what the money's doing. What's the money doing? You know, Shauna, you'd have to go back to the other earlier streams. I mean, we've locked in 105,000. I don't remember the day that I entered. Yeah. Was it the 27th? I don't know. I could make something up and just say, "Oh, I saw this right here and right there, and we got it. We got it." I don't remember. I honestly don't remember. You have to go back to another stream or video from a week or two ago. I don't remember. Boy, it's getting to that level, folks. We might not be streaming long. We can only stream while it's in the green. We only stream in the green. We're gonna have to cut the camera. We're gonna have to cut the camera. Why not on ZOOMEX? Because I've been in this trade for 2 weeks. ZOOMEX is right fucking here. I have money on ZOOMEX too. It's both. Some people can't use BitGet anymore. For those of you who cannot, you can use ZOOMEX. Non-KYC, no VPN bullshit. And it's got, after 8 months, the CF stamp of approval. Both. You can have more than one fucking exchange. I've been in this trade for 2 weeks. What do you want from me? What do you want? You know, why don't you? How come you didn't get a chocolate donut and you got a sprinkled donut? You don't like chocolate? Do you not like fucking Hershey bars? Well, why didn't you eat a chocolate donut for breakfast? Why didn't you eat eggs? Do you not like eggs? Why did you have a fucking sandwich? Fuck, I've been on mute, son of a bitch. Anyways, I was saying, man, how long have I been on mute? Anyways, what I was saying was, ZOOMEX, very clean, very simple, very clean. Market making is just as good as anyone else's. That's all I'm gonna say about that. If you're in a place where you're not able to trade and you're getting KYC'd, you're getting the email to get your money out, you have a safe haven. ZOOMEX. You might want to check them out. Boy, is this Dixie gonna plunge down? Man, this sure would be nice. It sure would be nice. Even thou art thou. Bitcoin hasn't necessarily. It's depegged one time in a couple of weeks. But yeah, I'm sure if the Dixie breaks down enough this structure, I'm sure Bitcoin would go up. Listen, don't give me too much credit here. This is wishing open. We took 100. We already closed 100 grand out of it. We juiced it back in. We've been waiting for fucking 2 weeks. Go look at ZOOMEX your fucking self, bro. Go look at it yourself. Because I just woke up. God damn. Well, how come you didn't start with your left foot instead of your right foot? Why did you get off on the right side of the bed instead of the left? Hang on. Okay, let's see here. Gotta transfer transfer to derivatives. Oh, I already whoopsie daisy. There. So it's loading. This dark reader kind of fucks shit up too. Boy, I would love to have a good Google dark reader that doesn't screw everything up. The one I was using with the little Darth Vader symbol was working well for a while, but something happened and it kind of fucked it all up. All these colors, like, look, there's like random bars and shit. There's all this random shit. So it's probably not a good representation of what it looks like. Oh, there we go. Okay, so that loaded. Yeah, so the Colors, all the colors and shit aren't gonna look like yours. It's from my dark reader that's doing all this shit. But here you go. Here's all your shit coins. A lot of coins, man. I remember 8 months ago they had like 5 coins. Now they have Billy. Billion. The microphone was just away from my face.
In the mix.
Is it working better now? How about now? It doesn't look, look, this is BitGet. I guarantee yours doesn't look as fucked up as mine because a dark reader. So all this weird shit is from my Google Chrome darkening reader. Anyways, let's go, baby. Let's pump. Let's pump it. Let me see if maybe I can turn the dark reader off for a second. Blind ourselves. Let me blind everyone. Hang on. Ta-da! See, look. So this is what it actually looks like with the dark reader off. Doesn't that look much better? A dark reader is an extension that's supposed to turn all the websites dark, so it's not white. Now, doesn't that look nice? Yeah, you know what? Fuck the dark reader. I know, I'm sorry to everyone that had to deal with that. There was just some asshole in the comments. Put a small position on, yeah, I got a Bitcoin on here. Here we'll do, bang. There you go. We put a little long in. Oh, gotta turn that off. Don't want that cross. Make sure you turn off cross. Make sure you turn on. You got the little leverage button right here. Leverage button right there. Cheers from Brazil. Cheers, Mr. Brazil. Looks like we have been slowly weaseling our way back into the algorithm. I appreciate all of you who are here. Appreciate it. Do we see anything bullish on market cipher? Well, we'll go back to the Dixie on the weekly. If you're just joining us, this money flow just coming down on the Dixie. What a beautiful arc. You know, you see these shapes in standard markets. It's very nice to see. It's so nice to see these shapes. But looking at the 12-hour potential little trigger wave. We got the bit boy, green dots, snake eyes. Little Vergence money flow has been increasing. Other than that, you know, everything else kind of floating. You know, it's not like we have, you know. Thanks, Mom Dude Duckies. I appreciate that, brother. How's that Bali water? That warm ocean or sea water, man, out there in Bali, man. It's like being in a bath. It's like being in a warm tub. I looked at gold already, bro. We looked at gold already. There was nothing to see there. But I'll fall for it again. Okay, now I see she had a nice little pumpy there. A nice little pumpy. Yeah, we came close to closing the stream right there. We were, we can only stream in the green. We had a close call. What can I say? We're safe. What do you mean about to print another red on the 12-hour? What do you mean, brother? What do you mean? I see no printing of red. In my opinion, the dark horse currently of crypto is the Pepe. It will have its, if Bitcoin goes up, Pepe is going to continue on its run. It's been on a steady move up. We've just about 2x'd since acquiring Pepe. And you know, I might as well just change all my Bitcoin into Pepe because it's all the same shit. Why not? Why not? About the JPY USD. JPY USD. The JPY USD on the 2-week. Nice little curvature of this VWAP coming up. Momentum potentially clipping, probably will. Looks like a little doji forming there on the 2-week. Nice dual band strength index. Yen. If I had to say yen or nen. Probably yen. The yen. Looks like a friend. Oh man, look at them percentages. Yeah, I would if I was a little currency trader guy, I'd yeah. Yen. Yen. We go play the yen. It's a strong against the dollar. It's a strong against the dollar. The Japanese yen is strong against the dollar. Very good. Very good. I think the JPY to the Japanese yen to the dollar. Very good. Very good. Still in the coca. I was able to get out of 2 out of the 3 options in profit. I'm still in one of those coke options. It's got like another month or a month and a half. The other option's still long. Got a little bit of ways to go, but hopefully that turns around. Could have made a little more off. I was like a day late. I was a day late. Could have made like half what I could have. On the options. Yes, the Oprah. We haven't spoken about it on this channel. Told my father to buy some yesterday. He did. I hate to show it here now. But there it is. It's been going up for almost a year. Ooh, look at that Ethereum. What do we have here? It's a little sloppy. I heard you like 'em sloppy. Man, the price action's been holding this range. Man, it's been holding the range. Man, how great would it be if we can break through? If we can break through and get up to that next spider line, getting at the high 30s, it would be so sick.
Gentlemen in the mix.
yeah, it's we just got to yeah, we're still gonna do it. I met an attorney that handles OTC Bitcoin shit for like a million minimum, million plus, multi millions. So now I could actually turn crypto into dollars if I really wanted to for the first time in years. Fly. I wonder if a white guy. Fly. Iron butterfly index. What the fuck? I don't know about the weekly. Yeah, there's a momentum pinch. I mean, I see what you mean. There's might be a little something there, but more of a support play. Pepe is on a run. Beautiful candles, baby. Look at them candles. Look at them candles. I'm trying to tell you folks, Pepe's where it's at. Pepe. We are $22 away from having to end the stream. We only stream when we're in the green. If you're just joining us, pencil next. We've been in this trade for about 2 weeks. $105,000 realized. And we are moments away from ending the stream because we only stream in the green. Got some tough action. Tough acting. Got some action. Tough acting to acting, baby. That's what we like to see. What we like to see. Oh man, we're so close. Maybe I can play some Diablo. Come on down. I'm ready to click the end stream button. Maybe play some Diablo, get some breakfast. Come on. Come on. Come on down.
Gentlemen in the mix.
Have done good things for us, that's my belief. Drugs have done good things for us. If you don't believe drugs have done good things for us, do me a favor then. Go home tonight, take all your albums, your tapes, and your CDs, and burn them. Because you know what? The musicians who made that great music that has enhanced your lives throughout the years, real fucking hard.
We're gonna get some breakfast here. I think we're gonna get a white chocolate mocha. Steamed extra hot with an additional shot. And a sausage, cheddar, and egg sandwich. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, dang. We are so close to hitting the button to end the stream. I'm just kidding, kind of. Prefaces. Ordered. Place order. Was 13K profit. ... You remember that one guy from a long time ago who said, and he missed out on $2,000 juicy dollars. Remember that? Gold pumping. Good for gold. Good for gold. Won't ever go past 2K. But that's a good little move for David. Hi. Me too. I'm hungry. I am hungry. Man, I tell you, imagine for the past however long it's been, 2 weeks, if we streamed this trade every day and had to see the same shit every day for 2 weeks. See the same chats.
Gentlemen in the mix.
Oh, you're bored. Should we go on, what's it called? What's the website everyone uses to look up the prices of all the cryptos on the white screen? That Binance owns. It's called, what's it called? Not CoinGecko, that's one of the other. That's a CoinMarketCap. You know, why don't we just be another channel that goes over the CoinMarketCap? We have to do the CoinMarketCap. Take a look at CoinMarketCap. You know what? How about to spice things up a little bit? We do bingo into a $5,000 Bitcoin bingo bash tournament. Nah. Morning Swing Trade Brigade. We spent a dirty dump here at Pimp. Nothing, man. We're just rolling with it, bro. Just rolling with it. It's the same trade we've been in for almost 2 weeks or 2 weeks. I don't even know how long we've been in this one for. It's been a while. Maybe we could do a bingo. I'll tell you why. Because after bingo, the stream dies. And everyone gets mad that they didn't win. And that would be a good exit escape plan. I could be like Sylvester Stallone. Escape plan. We haven't done it in quite some time. Takes a lot of energy, though. Takes a lot of energy. Yeah, it does. Then, I get one of them moods. Once I start throwing money out there, it's like... It just, get on a roll. Gotta watch myself. Yeah, Tony. Robinhood, bro. Go on Robinhood. Apparently, Robinhood, I'm pretty sure it was official yesterday, is allowing 24-hour trading as well. After hours trading like the big boys. I don't know if it's on every thing, but at least maybe some. Bro, get on that Robinhood. Listen, folks, we have an inverse Hunchback of Notre Dame mixed with Batman. It has a 50.49% success rate. It's in the bag. Right on, Samuel. I appreciate that. I hope you're telling the truth. I hope it's for the better. You know? Market Cypher's done that for a lot of people. Myself included. If you're just joining us, if you want to be a baller and be a part of the #1 selling trading indicator system in crypto for how many years in a row? 5. MarketCypher.com or MarketCypherTrading.com. New website is up. Did you get an email that you are no longer allowed to trade leverage with your favorite cryptos on your exchange? ZOOMEX is the answer for you. Non-KYC, no VPN needed, no matter where you are on this planet Earth. Crypto face stamp approved. How's the Pepe? Let's look at the Pepe. Let's look at the Pepe. Oh, the Pepe. I'm telling you, this thing has been creeping. It's been on the creep. But none of it matters unless Bitcoin goes up. What does it take for an exchange to get my stamp of approval? A lot of shit. Market makers. There's some shit I'd prefer not to say, but I'll put it to you this way. No, never mind. You know, BitGet is the only exchange where I don't actually know the people behind it. But you know, they've been good, no complaints. But a whole lot of people aren't able to use them now. ZOOMEX, you know, I've known about them. I've even referred them to close friends for 8 months, almost 8 months to a year. And I knew the time would come that when people would need it, it'd be here. It's got the market makers, it's got everything. But do your own research. Don't take my word for it. Don't take my word. But you know, I got a knack for using good products. I wasn't on FTX. I knew that never smelt right. Oh my God, we're back in the green, baby. Take that, pencil next. PHEMEX, I did know who was behind it. They gotta have good customer service. They have to not be overloading and screwing their people or going down or cutting corners, have weird little finance issues, you know. It's An exchange might try to give you extremely low fees, but then they might have some problems. There's some exchanges out there that have lower fees, but they have problems. Did I ever get the Coinbase account back? Hell no. Hell no. Sure did try. Damn near sent them nudes. They wanted nudes. They wanted so much, I gave it to them. I damn near sent them my nudes. And they still wouldn't switch me back on. What's the KuCoin news? What is the news so far today? We've seen chat say something, the Silk Road Bitcoin, or Craig Wright's finally moving legacy Bitcoin. What's the KuCoin news? I have not heard of DJ Fred. The Winklevoss, I tell you, at least they had back and forth banter with me. Gemini, the Winklevoss twins, just cut me off. Had no phone number, didn't respond to any emails. Finally, I got one email response, and gosh, what did they say? They said something really stupid. They said well, we don't have a phone number and we only use this email for what did they say? They said we only use this email for serious account issues or something, or serious size account issues. I don't remember what they said exactly, but I'm this is a multi-million-dollar account. You guys cut me off with no reason. You're not asking me for nothing. It's just you're gone. I know why they did it. But they sure as hell didn't fucking... They couldn't handle me. Couldn't handle me. You guys are all big and cool, but you can't handle a little measly guy with a couple million thrown a little bit around. They couldn't handle this weight. Couldn't handle the weight. Hey, look at the price. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Man, things are so much more fun when the price goes up or down if we're short. Up if we're long, down if we're short. Did they keep my money? Absolutely not. No, that would be illegal. They certainly let me withdraw my money. You know, big blocks of Bitcoin like that, Sam, you know, that stuff typically goes to OTC, man. Not saying they're not, you know, that some amount get dumped on exchange, but shit like that, man. When it's $1 million or more, or even a couple mil or more, they OTC that shit, bro. They go through a lot. They go through law firms. I can't answer anything about KuCoin, but are you looking for a nice, friendly, new, non-KYC, non-VPN exchange to leverage with plenty of coins to choose from with the CF stamp of approval? ZOOMEX. ZOOMEX. Link is in the description. ZOOMEX. The Whale Crew really has just turned into the Market Cipher Discord. I mean, Whale Crew still technically exists. You know, I just copy paste the same stuff I post in the MC Discord. But if anyone's trying to sell you Whale Crew, it's a scam. And on a side note, there's no use telling me that there's people out there impersonating me. There's nothing I can do about it. You know, I can send them C's and D's, but it's you just gotta report them, and hopefully people don't fall for it. Oh, my breakfast and coffee's here. Let's go, baby. How is the baby? The baby. BRB. 6 and let's see the train. Oh, did it break down? So did it? Nope, not. Oh, wait on. Oh. I mean, damn. Damn. Who wins between Zuckerberg and Elon? Probably Zuckerberg. Zuckerberg trains in jiu-jitsu and is in more shape. Elon's bigger, but Zuck would tap him out for sure. Or punch him in the gut. Not saying that's who I want to win. I want Elon to win. But that ain't ever gonna happen. No, I did not add to the position. It's the same one for like weeks. Did not add to the position. No. Negative. I was a wrestler. Just wrestled. The target is the same it has been. The target is 38,000 or close. That is the target. We are looking for the breakout to the next Spidey line. Well, not this wide, but, you know, like or somewhere, you know, up in here. It never spent time here. That's why there's so much resistance here. I mean, after this there's nothing. After this it's just straight through. It's a straight shot. Excuse me. $38K is a long way away, you say. Oh, sir, I beg to differ. I beg to differ. I mean, look how fast, look how fast we just went from 26, 29 to fucking 34. Boom. You know? It's the same thing. Same thing. Look how fast we went from 16,000 just doop. And then look, another one. Look. Doop. And then look. Doop. And then doop. It's closer than you think. But far away. I hear you. I get what you're saying, but you wrong. But you right. But you wrong. Oh wow, I can actually see who's subscribing. Gunadi Muhammad. Thanks for subscribing. Roberto Franco. Thank you for subscribing. Juan. DJ Furia. Corky 26. Zhang, Billy Dad Yang, McLean, Govind Bang, Jackie Lim, Tony Gilgamesh, Gustavo FR. Hey, there's Roberto Franco. There's Roberto Franco. Yeah, Tony, man, we've been in it for a long time. I don't. I've closed 100,000 profit, juiced it back in. It wasn't like a lined up shot of some shit, you know. It's just how it rolls, man. It's how it rolls, and that's what happened. Took out 105,000, then pushed the shit back in because I want to get on this break to 38K. God forbid if it ever happens. Damn, man, what's in this? They didn't cook. I don't think they cooked the sausage sandwich enough. It was suspicious. A little suspicious.
Gentlemen in the mix.
Boy, would you look at that, Dixie. In new low territory. How exciting is that? Still relatively the same. But just a minute. Yeah, folks, that's Boy, you know, I need to start a show segment of pathetic messages begging for money that I get. I already have enough to last for fucking hundreds of episodes. So what's the news of KuCoin? Or is it the same shit? I thought they announced it already. I swear these exchanges announced KYC like 4 times before it sticks. Yeah, folks, I don't know. It's we're getting pretty damn bored over here. Pretty darn bored. Nothing going on. Nothing to see. All right, folks, we're going to call it. Bored as hell. And, yeah. Before I leave, again, if you want to trade like a baller, we set the record for most profitable trade ever. Live stream start to finish, front to back, broke the record twice. But we did have the biggest loss record as well, but then that Korean lost porn kid took that, but still don't have a win like me. He still don't have the numbers like me for the wins and profits. Live start to finish. If you just got kicked off your exchange, you need some place to go. Non KYC, Yippee-Ki-Yo, ZOOMEX, links in the description. And we're bored as hell. So it's been 2 weeks. Probably will be another 2 weeks of this shit till maybe something happens. I don't know. Other than that, you guys are just the greatest. You guys are just the greatest. And yeah. I hope, where's that video? It's on YouTube still. There's one that's 1 million and one that's 2 million. I want to say it was May of 2 or 3 years ago. I'm pretty sure they were back-to-back weeks. Back-to-back. We first did 1 million, then traded up like a week after that, did a 2 milli over like a 6-hour and 8-hour time span live. So it's all still there. Anywho, God bless you. Good luck to you.